kanina wala masyado. Lining up.
Continue to line up after the luggage drop-off. Next step is security check. All remaining bags and personal belongings in your possession are subject to scanning. Place all luggage on the scanning machine, while small belongings like phone, belts, bags on the tray. It's the same procedure you do in the airport prior to your flight. Remove hats and glasses during this time. Video recording is not allowed.
Takes a little while for Philippine passport holders. Yeah, they're just making sure we're not going to overstay. Yes. We're still here, checking in.
At this point, just like the previous cruise we had in Israel and in Singapore, we were expecting that our passports were about to be collected by cruise personnel and will be kept under their care until disembarkation. Surprisingly, from our recent experience, our passports were given back to us.
We're just trying to make sure that you have all your documents with you. Finally checked in. It took almost 2 hours.
From arrival until check-in.
But we're going straight to the safety briefing first. Okay, that's the first thing you do when you embark on a cruise. Safety briefing na. Tapos na, di ba? Actually, going on a cruise is an exciting and interesting adventure. No, you may want to consider it at least once in your life. But the thing is, the first and last inconvenience you're going about to board is during embarkation, wherein you're going to fall in line, check the luggage, drop off the luggage, passport control, no? Especially if you're a Filipino, checking takes a while because they have to make sure all your necessary documents are with you. So that's how it goes. So far, with all the cruises we took, the process in Singapore, Marina Bay, was quite efficient, fast. No, but the one in Israel and here in Ravenna, well, it's unorganized chaos. It was fast, but it took a while, like an hour and a half. So here's our trip.
This is Voyager.
Doors opening. Going
Eight pa
down.
lang to.
6A. Doors closing.
Look, ganda dito. Maganda pag nasa loob ka ng cruise. You won't even feel you're inside the ship. Walang uga. Surprisingly, mahiluhin kasi ako. Pero, surprisingly, when you're inside the ship, you're not gonna feel it. Say hi, my love.
Encontrará su estación en la aplicación del Royal Caribbean en la parte posterior de su puerta de su camarote y en las letras grandes de su tarjeta CIPAS, que es su llave de estación. Recuerde, cuanto antes se registre en la estación asignada, podrá regresar a sus vacaciones. Gracias por tu atención y cooperación.
Yeah, excuse me, sorry. Like for? For the safety.
19, 20, 21, 22.
This is for the safety.
Using the clip side and the waist here. Okay. Very easy. It's got It's very simple. Thank you very much. Don't forget, this is to emergency.
We're on board B11. B11. For our safety orientation. Ravenna. Hello, Pilipino. Hi.
Safety briefing and orientation is an important emergency procedure that all passengers should never miss. Passengers are briefly but clearly taught on how to properly wear life jackets. You will also be directed to your designated emergency platform where an emergency boat awaits should
Yan. Our first one was Rhapsody. Our second one was Spectrum. Voyager is our third.
Obviously, na-enjoy talaga namin mag-travel on a cruise. So far sa tatlo, pinakamaganda para sa akin si Spectrum of the Seas, yung bumabiyahe sa ngayon sa Asia.
I'm excited to eat. Walang ilaw, no? Medyo madilim. Yan! Lumiwanag ang buhay. Our room again with all the lights. Hindi ako marunong. Paano ba? Iba-iba siya. Ayaw. Hayaan mo na. Ganda, no?
May visa.
Oh, diba? It's nice. Oh, look.
Gusto niyo pang manood.
Hindi na kumain na tayo. Nagugutom na ako. What do you have here? Hair dryer. Ka na. And these are the
Wala nang vlog naman, ma'am.
every port kasi there's an activity every day. There's an activity, so you get a newsletter every day. So yeah, there's a little description about the place. Okay, let's go. Gusto mong uminom? Kung gusto mo lang. Hello. Windjammer, here we come. Are you ready for us? Masarap mag-cruise, hindi kayo mahihilo. Wala kayo mararamdaman. So, yan. Be forgetting. Hello. Pilipina. Ay, Pilipina po. Ay, salamat. Pilipina.
Food will never be your issue when you are on board. Food
Favorites. You have fits. This one is, I like that one. You have chili beef. It's mac and cheese. American. Here, the dessert. Diba? Everyday buffet. Roasted roast beef. Ayun, gusto ko. Hello po! Dami niyong Pilipina dito. Ano? Nakakatuwa. Parang you feel at home. Wow, there's gluten-free. Everyday, iba-iba. Ang food. Ito gusto ko. Grilled fish. Yan. Dami food. As in. I miss my kids. They like this. Iba ulit. Iba ulit. This one Indian. Gusto ko rin ito. Madras beef. Indian cuisine. Indian? Mediterranean? I don't know. Diba? Dami food. Windjammer. Ano anak? What I'm having for my dinner, my lunch. Nakasakay lang namin ng cruise. It's currently 2 o'clock, a little past 2 in the afternoon. This is our first meal in the cruise. So actually, this is my second plate. This is grilled fish. This one is beef goulash. And this one is madras curry. So this side is Indian food. So there are different varieties of food in the cruise. So my husband is actually eating fruits. Okay? So ayan. Sharing with you our experience. Baka may mga gusto sa inyong mag-cruise, no? So this food is unlimited. It's always changing. Every day, there's a different menu. Hindi kayo magsasawa. Ang daming food. So, tataba talaga kayo. So, I'll just eat this one first. And then, we'll update you. Ta-da! And of course, my final plate for this meal. Dessert. Who eats a meal without a dessert? Well, this is my favorite part of eating. This is my favorite part. The dessert. So this is creme brulee. I forgot the name of this one. And this one is a carrot cake. So let's try. Hati lang kami dito ng asawa ko. Kasi hindi ko naman yan ubos. Tikim-tikim lang naman ako. Let's see. Ayan. Again, when you're on a cruise, everything comes free. So you can eat whatever you want, how much you want, they're free for the entire duration of your trip. That's a good thing about the cruise. You don't need to think about what you're going to eat, no? Unless you go on a short excursion, you go out of the cruise, then the meal is yours. But while you're inside the ship, the food is unlimited. You always have food, whether it's for snacks, for lunch, dinner, snacks again. Masarap yan.
Parang sili na.
Carrot cake. carrot cake now.
And then we'll figure it out.
Creme brulee. Wala tayong kutsara lang. Wala tayong ano? Dessert ano? Sarap. Carrot cake. Masarap to. Hindi siya ganun katamis. Creme brulee. Hindi siya ganun katamis.
If crowded places is not your thing, while dining, a fine dining area is available by schedule to accommodate you for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We call that area the dining room.
Papaschedule kami ng dinner. Pasok mo sa cruise, no? Set your schedule. They will assign you your table. That will be your table for the entire duration of your trip. You... Ayun na lang.
Ayun ang pinaka-dotes.
Oo, sige.
Yun na lang po.
Oo, ayun na lang.
Ano po talaga ang, kasi ito po yung tinatawag namin X9. Kumbaga ito na po talaga yung pinaka-link namin. Tapos permanent table mo kailangan dumiretso. Pumunta sa pila. Diretso na po.
Party time. Yung asawa ko kakarating ng basketball agad. So, I'm going to deck 13. Going to deck 13. Deck 13. Deck 12. Deck 13. Ayan. Ganda dito. Pasyal ko kayo. Ayan. Ay, hingal. Kakakain lang. I took the stairs para at least yung kinain natin, di ba? Pumba ng konti. Ayan, nakahinga lang. So, deck 13, basketball area, sports court. There. Sports court. My husband will play basketball. Yeah, it's cold. When we check the weather, it's 22 degrees. Pero with the wind, parang hindi. Parang ang lamig. My husband, he wants to play basketball. Hanggang dito sa barko, basketball. My God. Ayan. Ganda, no? Namimiss ko mga anak ko. Sarap nilang kasama sa cruise. Dito, as in, maraming activities. Kung ayaw nyo umalis ng barko, hindi kayo mabuboard kasi ang daming activities. The sports area, ayan. That's my favorite part. Wall climbing area. Ayan. Tinatry ko siya. Pero ito mukhang mahirap kasi para siyang pakurba pataas. Mahirap gawin yan. Feeling ko hindi ko ito kaya. Lalo na hindi na tayo nag-exercise. So, ayan, ang husband ko. The good thing about traveling, you gain friends. You just have to be sociable. Huwag kang maging very exclusive. You chat with people, no? Gusto ka ng mga Pilipino. Hanggang dito ba naman, basketball pa rin siya. Kaloka. Ang aking introvert na asawa and reserve. Na-imagine nyo na ba na ganyan siya dito pag nasa labas? Masaya yan. Pag gaganyan, masaya yan. Kasi, diba? Habang nasa barko ka niyan, may golf course pa. Oh. Nice. kayo sa ibang parts ng barko, maybe some other time, no? Pag medyo walang tao, para hindi mo naman nakukuha yung mga private individuals na nagbabakasyon. See, may basketball court, may wall climbing area, that's my favorite. Yun nga lang, hindi ko alam kung matatry ko yan. Medyo ano siya, mahirap siya. Yan, ganda oh. See? How can you be bored? Kung lahat ng to di ba? Dito, yan, meron pa yun, no? Follow nyo ako, papakita ko kung saan yan pumupunta. You see, ang saya dito. Ang daming activities. Sobrang dami. Mamaya isi-screenshot ko. I know, I'm going to take a picture of the newsletter para you get to see what's going on a cruise ship on a daily basis. See? It's nice. Ano kaya to? Is it a slide on a pole? Let's go, ha? Saya nito. I don't know how to play that one. Diba? Royal Caribbean is actually a cruise ship for the family. Good for the family. Very nice, no? Lamig na yun. Uy, meron din flow rider, kagaya nung sa Spectrum natin sa Singapore. Okay, for everyone, the slide. Can I just take a picture? Sure.
As long as one is right, it's okay.
Alright, yeah. See, may slide. Nakakatuwa, oh. Can you imagine that? On a cruise ship, and then this is where you land. Ayun, oh. Oh. Nice, nice, nice. And then there's also a flow rider. We've tried that one in Singapore, diba? Parang surfing flow rider. So, para siyang nagsisurf. That's the flow rider. Golf course on the other side. Again, we're starting our journey, our cruise in Ravenna. Kaya diba? So yeah, lamig! Sa totoo lang ang lamig. Miss ko talaga yung mga anak ko. Kung wala lang silang pasok, I'm sure gagawa ng paraan na makasama sila. Walang may pasok eh. Ang ganda na activities for the family ng Royal Caribbean. Papakita ko sa inyo yung ibang part ng ship. Napakita ko na sa inyo yung dining area, the food. Deck 13, where the sports area is.
And here's the mini golf area for the entire family to enjoy. O, diba?
Yan, may basketball court, the favorite area of my husband.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome on board the Voyager of the Seas. This is Captain Thor speaking from the bridge. At this time, we have a significant number of guests that have yet to complete the required safety briefing. This briefing is mandatory for all guests and is conducted in compliance with international law. Unfortunately, we cannot allow anyone who has not completed the safety briefing to sail with us today. So if you have not done so already,
welcome on board the beautiful Voyager of the Seas. Let me ask you, how is everybody feeling tonight? What happened? What's wrong? Come on, people, you're on holidays, you're on vacation, you're supposed to be happy, you're supposed to be excited.